and you can take that a step further. For example, this green movement, and let's say what is it, EVs, the electrical vehicles. If anybody's going to design and develop a affordable, an economical, and a practical electric vehicle that people are going to want to buy, like the old Model T was in its day, everybody wanted one. If anybody's going to do that, it's going to be an American, not the Chinese are copycats. They don't do their own. I mean, they do their own with computers and cyber crap. But the bottom line is that they copy everything we do. So if we're not encouraging our young people's minds to get into thinking about all of this alternative energy stuff, it's never going to happen, because the rest of the world's not going to come up with it. It's not going to happen. If you think back, anything and everything that ever happened in the world that made the world what it is today, it started here in America. It was basically an American person that invented it, from the, Whitney's was cotton gin or whatever, all the way up to whatever. So, cars, everything. I mean, think about it. And what are we doing? We're trying to ignore that and push everybody into a college program. And then we're trying to dumb down the college programs, because if we're going to transition into a socialist country, we really don't want a bunch of smart people that we're educating to be out there thinking about what we're doing. Mm-hmm. They got to blindly accept what we're doing and move on.
Right.
So they're kind of in a crossroads here. They're going to have to go one way or the other.
That's right. That's right.
And I'm all for electric vehicles. Fine. Let's do it. If you can give me an electric vehicle that I can afford, that I can recharge everywhere, and like I can put fuel in my truck, and it can do what my truck can do, and I can afford it. I mean, it's not ridiculous price. I'm all for it. Let's do it.
Right. Yeah.
But that's not there yet.
Right.
And the infrastructure, what they're struggling with right now is trying to come up with some way for the grid to even handle it. Mm-hmm. The grid can't handle it. Mm-hmm. Well, who's going to invent the new thing that's going to help the grid handle it? China? I don't think so.
No.
So I mean, we're at a crossroads, and I think
we definitely are at crossroads.
We need to get our universities to quit thinking about their bottom line and thinking about their product and think about what they're turning out, and get some more hands-on type of programs going in these universities. At the same time, I think we need to restructure some of our high schools into the old technical high school model, where kids are coming out of there with, all of the wood shop, metal shops, all of that kind of stuff's gone. Oh, yeah. It was expensive. We couldn't afford it. Well, you can't afford not to.